Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I come across this stock and was going to do a video about it to see who out there has this one. It's kind of a unique company. It's Greenbank Capital Incorporated. Trades on the over-the-counter. Ticker's GRNBF. Right now it's trading at 72 cents. It just traded kind of flat here today. Or actually over the last month, I should say. The last week it kind of had a little bit of a run up here, and this is kind of what it did today. So today it kind of had a run up and then traded again kind of flat, but you can see what it's done here over the last month. It's doubled in price, but this one is a bank focused on delivering different types of services such as private equity, the public listing, small cap investments, corporate, restructuring, mergers and acquisition, reverse mergers, and business incubating. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. It'll go over it a little bit more in depth here on the website. But just thought it was kind of an interesting company, and it's a penny stock. So everybody's into penny stocks here lately. This is their website, Greenbank Capital Merchant Bankers. Who we are is a merchant banking business listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange, Frankfurt Bourse, and the OTC markets in the United States. Greenbank invests in undervalued, exponential growth companies focused on building consistent capital appreciation for its shareholders. So, kind of into a unique type of business, kind of different for a bank here. This is again, going over some of their website, what we do, insightful investment, innovative merchant banking. In addition to investing in these exciting globally scalable businesses, Greenbank mitigates its overall investment risk by also seeking to acquire minority or majority stakes in established companies with proven profitability and cash flow. Innovative merchant banking is at the heart of Greenbank, is dedicated to being a highly skilled and innovative merchant banking business. They provide an extensive range of merchant banking services, including but not limited to public listings, pre-IPO funding, private equity, mergers and acquisitions, reverse mergers, business incubating, corporate restructuring. So they kind of touch a lot of different things that a lot of banks that I know of wouldn't even think about touching some of those things. So, and property potential realization and liquidity provision. And if we click into here, kind of goes a little bit more in depth on the insightful investment. In addition to investing in these companies, Greenbank will also provide them with highly valuable merchant banking support and expert capital market advice. Also, by investing in these exciting globally scalable businesses, Greenbank mitigates its overall investment risk by also acquiring minority or majority stakes in established companies with proven profitability and cash flow, which in turn will assist Greenbank's overall cash flow and ability to finance a progressive future dividend policy. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Innovative merchant banking, and you can find this right on their website, greenbankcapitalincorporated.com. And public listings, Greenbank management has decades of experience in public listings. The public listing enables private companies to gain access to capital and offers liquidity to investors. Aims to list companies on the CSE, the London and New York Stock Exchange, and to dual list them on other international exchanges, including the Frankfurt Bourse. Pre-IPO funding. So kind of interesting. Pre-IPO funding, including the payment of listing fees and professional advice. Greenbank is an adept at sourcing and providing specialist bridge funding to ensure the listing process is as stress-free as possible for all parties. Private equity, they also do reverse mergers, mergers and acquisitions, business incubating, and feel free to pause and go over those there for yourself, or like I said, you can go right to the website and kind of go over those. Property potential realization. So it looks like they kind of do a lot of different things, kind of a unique bank. And it's a penny stock, so what everybody's into, so very interesting. Greenbank Capital announces purchase of initial 1 million St. George Eco Mining Corp. Common shares and significant investment in Flex Capital, owner of eFlex, the pioneering community engagement and transparency app. And this is just dated last week on the 11th. Is pleased to announce that it has reached a commercial agreement to purchase an initial 1 million St. George's Eco Mining Corp. Common shares from a significant shareholder in exchange for 1,444,444 Greenbank common shares at 45 cents per common share and 722,222 3-year warrants. Share being paid by a Greenbank and therefore 65 cents. Closing price on 10 of March 2021. And feel free to pause the video and go over the rest there. That just kind of goes a little bit more in depth over the article. St. George's initial tests conducted on an array of lithium-ion batteries have been successful in confirming that selective leach conducted with its proprietary blends of acids allows for the recovery of lithium, which I've talked about numerous times around the channel, nickel, and cobalt. So kind of interesting. And not much on Reddit. StockTwits still researching on the investments they have going, but the potential for growth seems undeniable, especially at the current price. Compared to my other OTCs, their website is miles ahead for doing DD. With the way crypto is going now, I'm most curious about their investment in Abbott. So they're kind of into a couple different things. Kind of interesting. And what I can see here is everybody's bullish on StockTwits about it. So I just started researching this company, and it sounds pretty interesting. And like I said, since it's a penny stock, in the banking I thought was very interesting. Has more than 35 years of operational experience spanning the corporate and entrepreneurial environments, both domestically and internationally. So I thought it was kind of an interesting business. If you have any of this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments what your thoughts are about it, and if you have any additional information, that would be interesting to share. And I don't know, I might try picking up a couple shares of this one tomorrow. We'll wait and see what it does tomorrow. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel as well, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.